Oh yeah.
Wow. That's why they're all flying around. I'm surprised they don't gang attack it. Like, get in a group and...
They would kill it.
That sucker's big, huh? Animal Kingdom is...
Yeah, regular bird wouldn't get that aggressive towards the hawk for no reason.
Wow. That sucker's big, man.
Yeah.
Ugh. Tearing them to shreds. Oh, see, it clipped him. Seen that?
Oh yeah, you could have. How about a wing?
Yeah, right. What about thigh? Ooh, see?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, get his ass. Surprised,
Well,
see?
it's too late now. I mean,
I know, right? But still, I mean, they should have fucking all just hit him at the same time or some shit. I don't know.
it'd be cool if they did.
Right.
Wow. That's
Wow. You seen that big ass chunk? Wow. Mother Nature, Mother Nature. What do you think that is though? A hawk, right? Or a...
It's either a hawk or a Vietnamese dog.
Oh. It's pretty big though. And right beneath, humans are eating soup. Right? And beneath, we got the Salvation Army.
He's got like a hook.
Yeah.
He rips it open.
Yeah. Pieces just falling.
That's nothing too. It's like those other birds